We're Hot Diggity Dog, and yeah, blah 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 blah. Northeast, Midwest, I don't care. I'd rather be in the dirty South than anywhere. Fuck the office, that's not the life for me. I'd rather pick some fruit from a goddamn tree. Northwest or bust. We'll travel and watch our packs rust. Get some brews, smoke some pot, get wild in this parking lot. So get the dog, let's go to the park and rage until it's dark. Lay down beside a fire, think about climbing higher, lights ladder, then a slide, we'll have some fun. And hey, we'll enjoy that ride.